Hindi, magbibideo nga ako kung kasama ako sa parade.
Oo, sir, ikaw pala.
Kung kasama ka.
Inspector Cesar A. Morgan Jr. and Inspector Mon Joshua Malaro.
In the league. In fact, I became the national president of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines. And for that, even as Secretary General, I was honored and privileged.
Yan, sabay-sabay po tayo mag-shout. And 1, 2, and 3! Napaka-active ng ating mga players for the National Paralympics 2025. Thank you so much.
Now you may return to your
Side ni sir. Ang my day mo ba?
Sir, malas kumain ko kailan nandito ako, tsaka ako naiwanan yung cellphone ko.
Saan?
Yung extra phone lang. Naiwanan
Saan mo
ako sa
naiwan?
Cavite, sir. Kaya kamadali ko naman.